Now, standing around 13 metres high, they were the impressive Highland homes belonging to Iron Age chiefs. Many Brochs now lie in ruin, but now one in Caithness has been restored in a pioneering project. Nicola McCally has the details.
They date back more than 2,000 years, but this Broch in Caithness has been given a new lease of life for modern times. More than 170 structures like these are dotted around the county's coast. Most have fallen into ruins but once dominated the landscape. Now the Ousdale Broch near Berrydale has been restored in a pioneering conservation project, costing £180,000.
Initially, we didn't even know if this could be saved, but when we invited Historic Environment Scotland up in, I think, 2016, they seemed quite positive about the idea of conserving the Broch, which was really great to see. But this has been a challenging project.
It's thought the Brochs were dwellings for local chieftains. Stonemasons worked through the winter to deliver a new trail and information panels to help bring the Ousdale site to life for visitors. Past excavations found evidence of metalworking, the bones of sheep, deer, ox and hare, as well as local pottery.
We might want to consider how Caithness is going to kind of promote itself, or what it's going to use as a kind of identity, because that's no longer going to be Dunry for much longer. So I think that we can use aspects of the past and of archaeology as a kind of totem for the county.
The Caithness Broch project's ultimate goal is to create a replica Broch for the region, with a visitor centre exploring the lives and traditions of generations past, honouring this significant chapter in Highland history. Nicola McCally, STV News.